Going on today, guys, back here with another crypto update. As we know, crypto has been pumping the last week or so, and that is due to BlackRock mentioning that they are going to be unveiling a Bitcoin ETF or crypto ETF. I'm not sure if it just specifically tracks Bitcoin or if it's the crypto market as a whole, but basically we saw this absolutely push up from lows of $1,600 all the way up, testing just under $1,950, close to that $2,000 range. As we saw back here, we validated this area as support down here and also as resistance up here on this top line, which further validates this level of volume support, I guess it would be now, since we were trading above it. We're currently looking at the daily charts. We're trading both above the 120-day moving average and the 20-day moving EMA, exponential moving average. MACD is looking pretty solid. RSI, we're looking not too bad. You would think that we'd be super overextended on the RSI, but that's actually not the case here. We are starting to come up to overbought levels, but we are still, we have some room to grow. So some levels that I want to mention that we need to break are 1800 obviously is we're trading, 1900 is we're trading just under, 2100, and then after that 2300, and then once we get past 2300, that's when we can start seeing maybe a potential bull market. But here we have 2100, and then up here we have 2300. If we back out here, a long time ago we validated that as support, and we ended up breaking below that. But those are the levels that we need to look out for when we're talking about a bull market for the the long term. As far as short-term trading goes, we are kind of overbought. As you can see, this was mostly just based off of the news with the whole Bitcoin ETF, and I think actually Jerome Powell also mentioned that Bitcoin has its staying power, is what he said. But obviously we're not looking at Bitcoin, we're looking at Ethereum here. And yeah, that's basically all the news that we have regarding this whole surge. And I just wanted to again further I just wanted to bring those levels of price back into everyone's mind. The resistances at 2100, 2300, but also 1900, as we've been constantly over this past week been bouncing back and forth between that and like 1800-ish. So yeah, I just wanted to mention that again. And we did kind of break out of this bull flag here, but we haven't made a severe like move up towards this $2,100 mark, which is what we want to see if we are going to go higher. So that's pretty much all for today's video. I had just a super quick update, nothing too crazy. This move is basically just off of news, and so there's really not a whole lot of fundamentals behind this specifically, but with the economy how it is, it's still we're still not lowering interest rates. The interest rates right now are going to be the same, and then later on they're probably going to end up increasing those again, which is not good news for riskier assets, as we all know, in the crypto space. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you found value in it, please make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and also turn on post notifications so you get notified whenever a crypto update is needed. And thank you.